Oh, how are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I am well.
Excellent. Share my screen, mate.
Okay, and now I will share my computer screen. Show my computer screen.
Yeah.
Okay. This is
All right, yeah.
this is Google Tag Manager. Are you here?
Uh-huh.
This is Google Tag Manager. Show on your computer.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Here some tag: add to cart, products view, then purchase tag. We need these three tags. First, I will show live tracking. Sum up, create example, all product tag. Then page view tag. These two link. Now I will show live. Okay. Just check. Now I click review. We just check it's set up perfectly. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Now I'll connect Google Tag Assistant. We will check it's connect perfectly.
Okay.
Okay. Now Tag Assistant, continue. This tag will PVX3. I set up this one.
Okay. Take a photo.
Now our website on the home page. This is home page. Google Tag connected. Tracking. Now we stay on home page. Okay.
Okay.
Now we click on Django products. Okay. Now our tag. Okay, it's load. Okay, now our tag is tracking Django products. Okay.
Right, yeah.
So our tracking is perfectly connected.
Right, okay.
Now page view tag fire, all products tag fire, link tag fire, Google tag fire, not fire on add to cart and purchase tag. Okay. These two tag not fire. When I click add to cart,
Right, yeah.
when I click add to cart, okay, sorry, color. When you click add to cart, okay. Now we stay add to cart page, but tag not fire. When you click add to cart page, this is checkout page,
Yeah.
but here two products add to cart, but it not completed purchase. Now purchase tag fire. Why purchase tag fire? Because this is checkout page, not add to cart, not
Right,
completed
yeah.
purchase.
Right.
Now you just buy one products, use coupon. You understand?
Yeah.
Just we need just check this product purchase.
Right.
When we purchase, we collected this link. You see my screen? This link.
Yeah.
When we click add to cart, we collected this link. When we purchase completed, we collected this URL link. Okay, understand?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. This place now I place order.
How much have I got to pay for it? Do the cheapest product. We'll do the cheapest product on the shop, which is $30. Go put one of the RXs in. Go to another part of the shop.
Use another product.
Go to accessory. Go to get rid of that.
Okay.
Go to shop.
Shop.
Go to RX prescription and lens adapter down the bottom.
RS lens adapter. This one.
Yep.
Okay.
Click on that one.
Sorry for that. My networks are very slow.
That's all right. Do the cheapest one. Velocity.
This one. MG10.
Either one. Or the next one. $20 one. That one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now we purchase this one. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now first I click add to cart.
Yep.
Okay. Click add to cart. Sorry, here network very slow. Okay, add to cart. How can I purchase this one?
So go to the cart up the top, the screen where the bag is, where the currency converter is. Yeah. Go there.
Click.
On that.
I'll click here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is checkout page, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we collected this one checkout page. Okay, this is checkout page. Okay, now next. How can I purchase this one?
What are you going to do? PayPal.
This information, I'll paste this information.
Alright, okay, so alright. You want me to give you my information? Australia? Yeah. Don't worry about it. Number 6.
6
And a street name?
9.
No. Just number 6. 6 only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now street.
Street. You spell C-A-R.
Okay, I'll collect on our website. Website have information or street address? I'll use example.
That one down the bottom there. This one. Yeah. PO box. Not that one. PO box. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, instead of 6, you
6.
yeah, no. Remove that.
Only 6.
No, remove that. Take away. Both 6 remove and put PO box where number 6 should be.
This one. This one zip 2087.
That's the zip code. Postcode 2087. That's it. No, that's the phone number, yeah?
This is phone number.
What's this? What's the drop down up the top? Select an option for the other one. New South Wales, yep.
Australia.
No. One underneath. That's it. New South Wales. Keep going up. Up.
Just
You
this.
go up. Scroll up. This one. No, underneath. Yep. No.
Western Australia, Victoria,
New
Tasmania.
South Wales. Keep going up. New South Wales.
Only this.
No.
Here only this.
Can I?
Okay.
New South Wales. This one here. This one.
Okay. I use and just.
Yeah. That one. Doesn't matter. No. It'll have to be New South Wales. The number 2.
Number 2. New South Wales. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now this one. Sub.
Forestville. F-O. Forestville.
FOR
E-S-T.
EST
V-I-L-L-E.
V
V for
I
I-L-L-E.
LL 8.
E for egg. E for egg. Yeah.
Okay. Now all right. And then.
Yeah.
Okay. Now. Additional. Need any additional information?
No.
Okay.
This is just this is my address. So this is just a dummy, yeah.
Okay. Now I use payment information by my account purchase. No. Which one?
PayPal.
Which one?
PayPal.
PayPal.
Yeah.
Now I click process to PayPal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't